Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Monica Chaudhary. So if you are a programmer or a software engineer or you want to be, then you can use these three free code editors for the programming. Number 1. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free and open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It has many features that make it popular among developers, including syntax, highlighting, debugging tools, and Git integration. Number 2. Atom. Atom is another popular free and open source code editor that is highly customizable. It offers a wide range of features, including a built-in package manager, multiple panels, and syntax highlighting. You can love its UI. Number 3. Sublime Text. Sublime Text has two versions, free and paid. If you are a college student, it's enough for you to handle the project. Thanks for watching, and you can connect with us for such more videos. Good luck, have a happy learning.